Submitting documents to iCloud for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that you need to submit for account approval. This may include identification, proof of address, or any other required paperwork. Ensure that they are in a supported format such as PDF or JPEG. Step 2. Sign into your iCloud account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Access the document upload section. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can upload documents. This is typically found under Account Settings or Specific Approval section. Look for an option that mentions document submission or verification. Step 4. Upload your documents. Click on the Upload button and select the documents you prepared in Step 1. Ensure that you upload all required files and double-check that they are the correct documents. Wait for the upload to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your submission to ensure everything is correct. Look for a confirmation message or email indicating that your documents have been successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or updates regarding your account approval. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents to iCloud for account approval. Make sure to check back for any updates on your submission status.